In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Semrush plan efficiently and quickly. Let's get started on this straightforward process to ensure you navigate the cancellation procedure smoothly. First off, you need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or whichever one you are most comfortable using. It doesn't matter, as the Semrush website works well across all major browsers. Once your browser is up and running, head to the search bar. Here, simply type in Semrush and hit enter. This should bring you to Semrush's main website. Of course, you can bookmark the page for easy access in the future, as you'll often need to visit this website to access other features and tools that Semrush provides. Next, to access your account, you'll either need to log in or, if you haven't already, sign up. Most often, you'll already have your username and password saved if it's a personal computer, which can make signing in much faster. However, always double-check to ensure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple accounts for different businesses or clients. Once you're logged in, direct your eyes to the top right corner of the dashboard. This is where you'll find your profile icon, a small circle probably displaying either your initials or another image you've chosen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this list, you want to select the option titled Subscription Info. This link is vital. It will lead you straight to where you need to be to manage and review any subscription details associated with your account. As you enter the Subscription Info section, locate the Cancel Subscription option. If you have a paid account, this option should be clearly visible. Clicking on it will initiate the cancellation process. Follow any on-screen prompts that Semrush provides. They're there to guide you through confirming your cancellation, often explaining any potential consequences or next steps you'll need to action once the subscription is canceled. In the event that you are using a free account, you might not see a direct cancel option immediately. If this is the case, don't worry. Simply hit the Contact Us link instead, which will connect you with Semrush's support team. Their team is equipped to handle your cancellation requests and will be able to assist you with finalizing the process. And there you have it, a clear and concise way to cancel your Semrush plan. Hopefully, this tutorial has facilitated a hassle-free experience. Remember, should you encounter any difficulties, Semrush's customer support is just a click away, and they're always more than willing to assist you with any issues or questions you may have. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.